welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, gonna be doing another Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. So when I heard he was coming out with mystery boxes again, I was like, yes, I need one. I loved last time. I had so much fun. The mystery of not knowing what you're getting is really exciting. So I definitely had to get one this time as well. I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a few days. Fortunately, one of my cats who I've had since I was in 3rd grade got sick all of a sudden and then she passed away, so I was really upset and kind of just out of it the past few days. I really wanted to get a few videos up actually, but I just couldn't do it. Today I'm feeling pretty well, I mean at least a little better, so I wanted to film this so bad. I really wanted to open it and share it with you guys. So yeah, I'm so sorry I haven't filmed in a few days. So if you guys have seen my last mystery unboxing, which I'll try to link it in here in case you haven't seen it so you can watch it. I did get the really large box that time. However, this time I was unfortunate and I wasn't able to get the really big box. I ended up with the premium box, the smaller box, unfortunately. When the boxes launched, I was in class and I kept like trying to remind myself, like setting like a mental like reminder for 1 o'clock p.m. get on it, get the boxes. I really wanted to get both of them. 16 minutes after 1, I'm like, crap. I remembered and I was like, oh my gosh, and I tried to get it in any size, like, because that's how bad I just wanted the big box, but unfortunately all the big boxes sold out so fast. But I was able to get a smaller box, which I'm still excited for. So if you guys want to see what's in my box, then let's just get right to it. Alright, so this is the box. This is what it looks like. Same packaging as the last box. Last box just was all pink. I think 2 shades of pinks. Now it's red and pink for Valentine's Day. Really cute, fun, mystery packaging. Love it. As you guys can see, still sealed. So I have not opened it. So let's just open it right now. Alright, I really need to get like a special little like scissors or like knife to like open all my boxes because I'm always doing my nails and I'm going to be getting my coffin nails back really soon, so it's definitely going to ruin them if I keep doing this. So I'm going to have to find something like a special like envelope cutter or something like that. Of course, it wouldn't be a video unless Max came over to say hello. Hi! Hello! So I'm still opening the box. Let's rip this, what's it called, tape off. So I got the tape off, so at least I think there's still like a little piece. I didn't get all the tape off, so I'm just getting it off now. Let's open it. Alright, and like the last box, we got some tissue paper in here. You guys ready? Okay, so it's like wrapped. Let's see. Okay, so first I see like a couple things, so I'm gonna do what I did in my last box, kind of just put my hand in there and pull them out. So first we have a lip ammunition in Starfish. It looks like it's like a corally color. Let's see. Packaging, love it, super cute, like bullet looking. Ooh, so this is so pretty. It's like a corally pink shade. I think I will definitely wear this. I really like this a lot. Especially for like spring and summer months coming up. Really excited for this color. I'm gonna do just a quick little swatch. Wow. Yes, I am so excited for this color. It's like a Barbie pink almost. Not as vibrant, but so pretty nonetheless. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the shade a little better when it's kind of next to me, but it's absolutely beautiful. I'm excited for this color for summer months when I'm a little more tan. Okay, next we have Triggered. Do I have this shade? This is what it looks like. It's like what's it called? Like a deep purpley shade. Okay, so this is from the new collection, I believe, and I do have this thing, so I have the whole collection. But it's a very pretty, like, purpley plum shade. He did, like, beautiful with this packaging. Like, the sparkles and the white, it goes so nicely together. I really love this collection. Yeah, so this is, like, a deep purple shade here. So pretty. So I just swatched it here. It is definitely a deeper purple shade for sure. Really dark, very like daring and bold, which I love crazy, bold, daring colors, so I'll definitely wear this even though I already have it, so I'll probably gift that to someone. But this is just what the shade looks like. Okay. Alright, so next we have Watermelon Soda, which I have this baby already, but that's okay. I can save this for someone else. Ooh, so pretty. I completely forgot about this shade. It's actually, it reminds me to that Starfish shade, although this one's a little more like pinky corally. Like this one's more pink tone. This has a little bit more coral in it, I feel like, but this shade is so pretty, and if I'm remembering correctly, yes, it smells like watermelon, which I never used to like watermelon, but it grew on me and it smells so good. So I'm not going to swatch this because I do want to save this either for a giveaway or to give away to someone. But yeah, super pretty shade, another really good one for summer. If you guys would want to see a swatch video on like all of my Jeffree Star lips that I have so far, let me know because I do have quite a few of them and I would definitely be up for doing that. Okay, next we got a box. Let's see. We have a Skin Frost in Deep Freeze. I actually don't have this shade. That's exciting. Let's see. It looks like a very light like pastel blue shade. Like these Skin Frosts are massive. Like this takes up the whole palm of my hand, which my hands are pretty large. So that is a big ass highlighter. Pardon my French, but that is so big. Like, do you see that? So let's open it up. Oh wow. Okay. So it's not really a like a pastel-y blue. It's more of a vibrant blue. Wow. Don't know how wearable this is. I don't know if this is really up my alley, but I will probably save this guy for a giveaway. But it is a really pretty shade. I think it would look really pretty on the eyes for sure. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So we have another pop socket. I got one in my last one as well. The last one was pink, I believe. This one's red, which I love the red shade. Really cute. What else? I think this is the last product in here. So last but not least, we have Can't Relate, which I think I actually got this in my last box, and then I already had it to begin with, so now I have 3 of these. So this is just what the shade looks like. I actually wore this, or no, I swatched this in my last video that I did, the Jeffree Star like Alien collection. I did swatch this, but again, the really pretty sparkly packaging. It's a really nice peachy nude shade. Really, really pretty. Love it. I don't want to use it because I already have 2, but that's okay. So overall, I did get some new things in my box that I really do like. Some things I'm definitely going to save for a giveaway. I really wish I could have got my hands on the bigger box. I'm going to have to watch some videos and see what they got because I want to see what clothing and what other fun like accessories they got in their boxes this time. But yeah, definitely check out my last mystery unboxing. I got some really cool stuff in that. Again, I'm going to try to link that in this video if you guys want to see it. If not, it will be in the description box below. Next time he releases a mystery box, I'm going to be on it for the big one because I feel like you get a better deal. I feel like out of the larger like boxes, which I'm really upset that I couldn't get the large one this time, but that's okay. But thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do like these unboxings, these mystery boxes, let me know in the comment section below. I was thinking of actually purchasing some other mystery boxes that I've been looking into recently that I think would be really cool and fun because I'm like all for these mystery boxes now. So if you guys want to see more mystery unboxings, like beauty unboxings, things like that, let me know. And until my next one, bye!